Hi guys, so in this video we will talk about the law of cosine. So here's the formula. So to find c, we use c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. And to find b, we can use b squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos b. And to find a, we can use a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. So we can apply or we can use law of cosine for the following cases. So we can use SAS or side angle side. And then case 4, we can use the cosine by side. So here are some example. Case number 3, which is SAS. So example, let B, A and B and C be the given. So to find C, use the cosine law. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. And to find A prime, use A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2bc cos A. Then cos A prime is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2bc. So A squared is to find A prime, use B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2ac cos B. Cos A is equal to A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2ac. So to find A prime, cosine inverse of the quantity A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2ac. So example number 3, Donna and Sarah bike from the same point at the same time. Donna bikes due north for the distance of 750 meters, while Sarah bikes 520 meters at a heading of 62 degrees. So example number 3, Donna and Sarah bike from the same point at the same time. Donna bikes due north for a distance of 750 meters, while Sarah bikes 520 meters at a heading of north 62 degrees east. How far apart are the two girls? So based on the illustration, the 750 meters is the distance of Donna, and 520 meters is the distance of Sarah, going northeast. And then let A be the distance of two girls. So based on our formula to find A, we use the A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2bc cos angle A. So to find A, you can square the B squared plus C squared minus 2bc cos A. So the square of 750 squared plus 520 squared minus 2 times 750 times 520 cos 62 degrees. So based on the calculator, so the result is 683.6 16 so meters. So approximately the distance between the two girls is 683 meters apart. So for case 4, let A, B, and C be the given. So to find A, use A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. So cos A is equal to the quantity of B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. So cos A is equal to cosine inverse of the quantity B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. And then to find B, use B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2EC cos B. Then cos B is equal to A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC. And then B is equal to cosine inverse. So to find angle B, we need to use cosine inverse of A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC. So here are the example. Example number 4. So to find C, use C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos B. So cos B is equal to A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. Then C is to find angle C, we can use cosine inverse of the quantity A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. So solve triangle ABC given a side which is our A equals to 15 and side B 17 and side C which is 19. So to find A, use A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. So cos A is equal to 17 squared plus 19 squared minus 15 squared over 2 times 17 times 19. So to find the angle A, we need to use cosine inverse of the quantity 17 squared plus 19 squared minus 15 squared over 2 times 17 times 19. So based on the calculator, the result is 41 degrees 51 minutes and 38 seconds. And then to find angle B, use B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos B. So cos B is equal to 15 squared plus 19 squared minus 17 squared over 2 times 15 times 19. So B is equal to cosine inverse of 15 squared plus 19 squared minus 17 squared over 2 times the quantity of 15 times 19. So the result is 58 degrees 35 minutes and 50 seconds. So the last angle, which is angle C. So to find angle C, we can use the formula, use C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. So cos C is equal to 15 squared plus 17 squared minus 19 squared over 2 times 15 times 17. So to find C, cosine inverse of 15 squared plus 17 squared minus 19 squared over 2 times 15 times 17. So the result is 72 degrees 32 minutes and 33 seconds. So that's all. Thank you.